Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming OTG capability and having the right cable. Plug the OTG adapter into your phone or tablet first. This signals host mode. Once done, attach the USB device, flash drive, keyboard, or controller while making sure any external drive has power. You do this now because many hosts only switch modes on cable insertion. If the device isn't recognized immediately, try reinserting the cable or toggling USB settings to ensure data transfer is enabled. Once the OTG connection is active, open your file manager or the specific app you need. You'll often see a permission prompt. Grant it so the host can read and write. If working with media, format, or backup tasks, confirm the external drive appears as removable storage and set transfer mode if available. Make sure to move smaller batches first to verify speed and integrity and monitor progress. Large transfers may take minutes, so let them finish before attempting other operations. To finish, always unmount or use the app's eject control so you don't corrupt files. If the device wasn't detected, try a known good OTG cable or a powered USB hub. Some peripherals need more current than the host supplies. Also, make sure the USB device uses a supported file system. FAT32 and XFAT are widely compatible. If problems continue, restart the host, toggle USB debugging or storage permissions, and then reconnect. That usually clears stale drivers or permission locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.